Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate ice cream at home. Start by warming cream and milk gently and chopping chocolate finely so it melts easily. Then whisk yolks with sugar until pale and slowly temper them with warm milk. Return to heat to thicken slightly. Strain the custard before adding melted chocolate. Cool completely in the fridge, then churn according to your machine's instructions for smooth, rich results. For delicious variations, try infusing the milk with cinnamon or orange peel before combining with eggs, or stir in espresso for a mocha boost. Add a pinch of salt to amplify chocolate richness and balance the sugar, and rescue overly frozen texture by letting the churned ice cream sit at room temperature briefly before scooping. Then fold in nuts or chocolate chunks by hand for pleasant texture contrast, and if you don't have an ice cream maker, whip heavy cream to stiff peaks and fold it into sweetened condensed milk. Then gently but thoroughly fold in melted chocolate for ribbons. Pour into a loaf pan and cover tightly to prevent ice crystals. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface before sealing, freeze until solid, and let sit a few minutes before scooping for a perfect texture without special equipment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.